friends. The bin that you empty your mechanics pockets into, we're going to go through that today. Just because mine's getting full and my mechanic hasn't asked for it yet. So let's go through it. Why we have a mouse, I will never know. But we have 3 laptops, and I think we're just because I have a feeling a mouse is going to go on the laptop. So we'll keep that. A random phone cord, probably from a speaker, so we can throw that into our charger bin. Another phone cord, wall piece with another phone cord, so our bin. Oil change stickers. My mechanic doesn't normally bring home a massive roll like this. It's normally a strip. So what he will probably do with this is when he changes one of his friend's oils, fill the sticker out and slap it on. I think we'll hang on to that because we do a lot of our friends and other family members' oils. Random. We can throw it away. Why there's an empty battery container, I will never know. Broken ink pens, obviously throw them away. A knife, we'll stick in his drawer. Flashlight piece, throw it away. If your bin is looking different than mine, ask your mechanic. Keep or throw it away. They'll know best. All shops different, so what my mechanic uses doesn't necessarily mean yours uses the same thing. So it's best just ask them. Household projects that are not done but getting there, so just put them in the screw container. Medicine, I'm gonna throw it away because I don't know when the expiration date is, and it's not on the package. That can get thrown away. I don't know what it is. It's a piece to something. I got my container, if you're interested, from a baby formula container is what this originally was. I just decided we had a bunch of empty ones we were keeping. I would just use them for other things instead of throwing them away. If you don't have any, Dollar Tree bin works. Dollar General bins. If you have friends with babies, you can ask them for their containers. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Hope you have a rest of your day is great. Bye.